The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is all about refining one of the best foldables phones yet. You get a brighter and more durable 7.6-inch display, a B-Flare 50-megapixel main camera, slimmer bezel, and a wider cover screen that's easier to use. Since on gaming to camera performance and battery life, everything is on point, and that is what I love the most. You can head over to Samsung official website and pre-order your Galaxy device because the pre-order will ending on 25th of August. The Light Mode new feature is designed to help save the handset's battery life and run it cooler. This new light mode reduces the clock speed of the chipset by a couple of 100 MHz. So basically it doesn't limit the 120 MHz refresh rate, it doesn't limit the background process, and it doesn't disable any features. The Z Fold 4 is slightly slimmer and lighter than the previous generation with fractions shaved off of the bezel. And of course it is still a proper pocket filler, girth doesn't even begin to describe. This thing is 16mm when folded up. The actual design is typical Samsung, smart and simple with choice of 4 colors. You got phantom black, beige and gray green, as well as special burgundy color is only available direct from Samsung. As for the camera, the Z Fold 4 is bringing results that are actually equal or even better than the S22 Ultra. I gotta says Samsung's folding plans are unfolding just the way they wanted. They are the innovation king right now, and they have done the impossible. The Z Fold 4 lets you run up to 3 apps at once, and you can easily drag and drop content between windows. We also like the taskbar that makes it easy to jump between apps. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is powered by Qualcomm latest billing Big Bollocks Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, by 12 gigs of DDR5 RAM. You got 2 SIM slots on this thing, plus eSIM support on top of that, full 5G support. The connectivity was flawless. The Galaxy S22 Ultra this year bought an embedded S Pen slot, but the Galaxy Z Fold 4 still relies on externalized S Pen. This phone is built for productivity. The best part one will like is that if you need to research and write at the same time. This year doesn't brings a huge set of additions, but Samsung has made some welcome refinements that improve the overall experience and make it even more productive. Software, not hardware, will ultimately determine how mainstream foldables become. What features do you like the most on the Galaxy Z Fold 4? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.